Hello students, this is one of the very important question. Here limit exists already given in the question, but two unknown constants are there. If f of x equal to ax square plus bx by x square minus 1 and limit x approaches 0 f of x equal to 1, limit x approaches infinity f of x equal to 1, then prove that f of minus 2 equal to f of 2 equal to 1. First find the value of a and b and then find the prove that f of minus 2 into f of 2 equal to 1. So given that limit exists at x equal to 0 and limit exists at x equal to infinity, it's a new concept. I think this is type 7 or 8 limit at infinity, but I'll explain in detail. So what is the first case? So this is the first case given. So what is given? Limit x approaches 0, this one, f of x equal to 1. So what is f of x? Limit x approaches 0, f of x ax square plus b by x square minus 1 equal to 1. Substitute x equal to 0. If I substitute x equal to 0, this is direct substitution concept. If I substitute x equal to 0, this is another type, direct substitution type. If I substitute x equal to 0, 0 plus b by 0 minus 1 equal to 1. Then what is the value of b? b equal to minus 1. b equal to minus 1. Clear? Now second condition. Second, what is the second condition? Also given limit x approaches infinity, f of x equal to 1. So limit x approaches infinity, ax square plus b by x square minus 1 equal to 1. Again, this is a special case because the limit is not a finite value, it is infinite value. Whenever the input value is infinite, the working rule is different. You can't directly substitute. If you directly substitute, it becomes infinity by infinity form. Okay, for that we have to apply one special condition. That special condition is nothing but taking x power, taking highest power of x both from numerator as well as denominator. So what is the highest power of x from the numerator? X square. Denominator x square. So what is the value becomes? Limit x approaches infinity, x square into a plus b by x square by x square into 1 minus 1 by x square equal to 1. Now these two gets cancelled. Now you can substitute here. So limit x approaches infinity, a plus b by x square by 1 minus 1 by x square equal to, substitute x equal to infinity. If I substitute x equal to infinity, b by infinity is 0 and 1 by infinity is also 0. What is the value now? The value is a equal to 1. A equal to 1. Both the values are calculated. But question is not to find value of a and b, question is to prove these two. Okay, now what is f of x becomes? So what is f of x now? The f of x equal to ax square, a equal to 1, x square plus b equal to minus 1, b equal to minus 1 by x square minus 1. Therefore, f of x equal to 1. But question is, prove that f of minus 2 equal to f of 2 equal to 1. That is, substitute x equal to minus 2 as well as substitute x equal to plus 2, prove that both are equal. But there is no x here because it is a constant function. And hence what is the input? When x equal to minus 2, what is f of minus 2? There is no x and hence it is 1. And also f of 2 is also 1 because no x in this function. Therefore, what is the conclusion now? F of minus 2 equal to f of 2 equal to 1. That is the required result is proved. Okay. So, one of the very important sum. Here two unknown constants are given. So, two conditions are given. To find two unknown constants, we need two conditions. Even after finding two conditions, substitute a and b in the original function. The original function becomes 1 and that is nothing but a constant function. Whatever the input, the output is always what? 1. Therefore, f of minus 2 equal to f of 2 equal to 1. Thank you.